Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and a brand new video. I'm Renier, aka Autos, and if you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload more videos. I want to thank all of you guys for your support in helping this channel grow, for all your positive comments on social media and on YouTube, and thanks for watching. It's a beautiful day out here in Taupo, New Zealand. I'm about to jump on the bike and go out for a little ride, so jump on, come along with me. Give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you think I made that landing stick. It's a beautiful day out here for riding, and I'm heading down to one of our local cafes to try out their keto pie. If you know anything about me, you know I love my food and I'm always keen to try out new dishes. So let's head down there and give it a shot. So I'll tell you about my epic fail this morning. I had my whole day planned out. I had my video idea, knew what I wanted to film for the day. So I made an appointment with Shiloh. He's a master barber at Mancraft in Taupo. So I went down there, filmed about an hour and a half's worth of footage, went home, reviewed it, and yeah, the SD card was corrupted, so I lost all that bloody footage. So big shout out to you, Shiloh. Thanks for your time. Thank you for your amazing service down at Mancraft. I'll be back in a couple of weeks or so when it's time for another cut and we'll reshoot that video. It's annoying as hell, but I guess that's part of creating content. You just never know with technology. Now, earlier in the video I thanked you guys for all your support and for helping this channel grow, but I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being part of this community. And I've really been overwhelmed by the support and love I've been shown on this channel. Even the motovlogging community as a whole, channels like Ginger Dash, Doodle on a Motorcycle, they've been awesome in supporting me, giving me advice. So I'll put their links down in my description, so check out their channels and subscribe to them as well if you like motorcycle content. Now, the reason I made this channel is obviously because 1, I love motorcycles, and 2, I love creating content and making videos. But I want to emphasize that this channel is not about me, it's about you guys, it's about the viewers, it's about the subscribers, and it's about building a community where we can hang out, make the videos you guys want to see, and talk about the topics you guys want to discuss. So comment down below, tell me what videos you want to see, hit me up on Facebook, DM me on Instagram, and we'll make that happen. Now about the future of this channel, I plan to upload a new video every Monday. Now with working shifts and working a full-time job, it's hard to tell you guys that this will be in the mornings, afternoons or evenings. So hit that post notification bell and you'll be updated as soon as I publish a new video. Now like I said, I work a full-time job, so for the moment I'm only going to do one video a week. Because I'll be honest, it's easy to bang out substandard videos and spam the internet with them, but I want to take my time, perfect them, and push out content that I'm proud to put my name to. Now let me tell you about this view. About 4 years ago, I flew over to New Zealand for a couple of weeks to come to a job interview. Now that was the first time I ever left South Africa. It's the first time I've ever been without my wife for more than 24 hours, and I was homesick as hell. So I landed in Auckland, that's north of Taupo, drove down here, came over this hill, and that is the view I saw. And I'll be honest with you guys, I fell in love with this place. And look at me now, 4 years later, still in Taupo, still in New Zealand, and I think the place is starting to grow on me. Now I've noticed that a lot of you guys are watching from the US, New Zealand, South Africa. Comment down below, tell me where you guys are from. So, now I'm just about to reach this cafe, and from what I've heard, this keto pie is meant to be fire. So I'm really looking forward to trying it. I've been fasting for the past 16 hours. I usually fast till noon. So yeah, I'm just about ready to grab something to eat. Now the cafe should just around the corner. Let's see if we can find a park. Oh, dude, don't take it. Don't take it. There we go. Now I better take this helmet off and hike, you guys. Don't want to get kicked out before I get my pie. Success. Let's try this baby out. Now for the past few months my wife and I have been trying the whole keto thing, and I've heard a lot about this keto pie they do at Cafe Baku here in Topol. So I thought today, why not give it a shot? Let's see what it looks like. Now, one of my good friends, Chas, works here at Cafe Baku, and she's one of the people responsible for creating this beautiful piece of food. So, let's have a taste. That's beautiful, mate. If you guys are ever down here in Topol, pop in, check out Cafe Baku, they do some beautiful dishes. Now before we close out today's video, my post notification shout out goes to Kim Armstrong. Thanks for watching, supporting the channel and being part of this amazing community. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Be safe out there, God bless, and I'll see you on the other side.